So write down the question. Write down the numerical. Find the reading of spring balance reading of spring balance as shown in diagram. As shown in diagram. Now draw this diagram and solve. There are two pulleys like this. This is the string. This is string, okay? And like this, the diagram. Mass is attached like this. This is 3 kg mass, 5 kg mass. 3 kg, 5 kg. Clear?
Yes.
Spring constant is K. And this entire system is being fixed like this. Because we need some support now. Like this. This is just support system. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I'm asking like find the reading of spring balance, it means that you need to find the spring force. That is, whenever they're asking reading of spring balance, they are asking literally spring force. Clear? This is not a weighing machine. This should be clear. So simply draw the free body diagram of each blocks. Take this is your system. Okay. Down is MG, M into G, tension T1, like this. Similarly, this is M into G, gravity. This is your system. T2 tension here. Clear? This is clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Now simply apply. Now which is more heavy? 5 kg, 3 kg? 5 kg. So the entire system is going like this. It is going down with the acceleration. This is going up with the acceleration. Clear? Now apply Newton's law. For this block, 5 kg block, apply Newton's law T1 minus 5 into G, 5 into minus A. So it will be what? How much? Minus T1 plus 5 into G, 5G, 5E. Equation 1. Okay?
Yes.
Apply for 3 kg. 3 kg. It will be T2 minus 7 into G equal to 3 into equation 2. Clear? Now how many variables are here? 3 variables. And 2 equations were there. We need one more equation. Now take, if I take this is my like this spring is my system. Okay. If spring is your system, tell me on this spring, tension T1 will be like this, T2 will be like this. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, okay. Now this is a spring. Spring. Now apply Newton's law here. Net force T1 minus T2. Spring is massless. If you write M into A, this is negligible. M is negligible. Very, very less. So in case of a spring, this is 0. So T1 is equal to what? T2. Clear? T1 is equal to T2. Now if T1 is equal to T2, then what will happen? Can you please tell me
Sir,
what is the value of A? This equation.
mm,
Please solve. Step by step we are going. Minus T1. T1 equal to T2. So I can write T1 is equal to T2 is equal to, I just assume this is T. Clear?
yes, sir.
Find the value of A. It will be what? Cancel. Acceleration is how much?
G by 4.
G by 4. Very good. If acceleration is G by 4, what is the tension? First equation, like what is first equation? Minus T1 plus 5G is equal to 5A. Remember, okay? Minus T1 plus 5G is equal to what? 5 into A. And A is what? G by 4. So from here, what is the value of T1? 5G by 4 minus 5G. 5G common. It is minus 3 by 4. So what is the value of T1? Tell me. 15. Value of G you can take 10. 40. 4, sorry. Tell me. 37.5 Newton. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
If you solve, you will get this. 37.5 Newton. You can check. Okay. So what is the value of T1? 37.5 Newton. So if I, again, I will show this question diagram to you. 1 minute. Okay. So how much? Remember, so T1 is equal to what? T2. And answer you are getting 37.5 Newton. Okay. If I redraw the diagram, this is pulley, one block, rough diagram. Okay. Spring is there. Again, one pulley, string, one block is there. Okay. This is 3 kg, 5 kg. Okay. Here, in this string, tension is, you just draw like this. T1 is T2. Clear? up to this, here up to this, if you look at this diagram, this is T2 in this entire string. This is one row. Then we take one, this is different component, okay? This is spring, okay? This is separate row, separate string. That's why tension is different, okay? Tension
Yes,
force
sir.
is different. Is it clear? In the
Yes, sir.
middle,
Yes, sir.
this is spring. In the middle, you can check this is spring or spring balance. It is like this, spring balance, okay? Like I have shown. It is just like that, spring balance. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now this is spring balance, which I have shown here. Clear? If you take this spring balance your system, then if you take this spring balance out, then what will happen? At the end of this wire, one tension will be like this T1 here, because here this row, here T2. Clear? Now you just tell
Yes, sir.
me, if you have a spring and you are going to elongate it like this, like this. Okay, you have a spring, and with the help of equal force, you are going to apply at the ends. There is elongation in the spring. Okay, 37.5 Newton means this is the spring. Okay, 37.5 Newton here. Don't say sir net force is zero, so there is no elongation. Don't say this is spring. Okay, this case like you can check 37.5 Newton. I will tell. What is this? If I say this is the spring which is fixed, and you have attached any mass. If I ask this question to you, 2 kg mass. If I ask how much spring force is there, can you please tell me how much spring force is there in this question? You will draw like this free body diagram. Clear? mg down, m into g, and spring force is up. How much? Let us suppose FSP. Okay? You will say like that. Understood? In the
Yes,
this
sir.
spring is massless, so everywhere it is FSP. Everywhere FSP. Then reading how much FSP, if I ask here, FSP is how much? Spring
Equal to
force.
G.
Very good. 20 Newton.
20.
20 Newton. Very good. This is, if I take block as system, then spring force is up. Okay. If spring is
Yes,
applying FSP force on this block, then block is also applying same force. Action reaction. Understood?
yes, sir.
Now if I draw, if you look at this diagram, here, this fixed support. Can you check fixed support? Where is fixed support? This is fixed support. Fixed support. It is fixed, it is not moving. Okay? Fixed support. Now if I ask you one question, on this fixed support, if you draw the free body diagram of this fixed support, then how will you draw? Like you have drawn for this block. In the similar way, if I ask here, this spring is tightly fixed with this support. It means this support is what? Support is doing the what? Support is also apply some force on this spring. That then only it is going to fix now. Understood?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So if I draw the free body diagram of this spring only, spring, understood? Then on this spring, FSP will be down. Okay. And who is going to apply one more force? One force due to this support. Clear? Support is, let us
Yes,
suppose support is applying F dash. I just take F dash. Clear? Support is also, if I draw a spring as my system, then F dash is due to support. Then only it is fixed now at the top. If the spring, if the fixed support is not providing any force, then it will not fix there. Now my question is how much this value F dash? Spring is massless, so I say F dash minus FSP is equal to 0. Massless spring. So F dash is equal to FSP. Now did you check one thing? Spring is, this is spring. Spring is there. Downward 20 Newton. From the top also 20 Newton. Clear? On the
yes,
spring.
sir.
If you check on the spring, downward is 20 Newton. And at the top also 20 Newton. Net force is 0, but still elongation is there. If you attach any weight, this will going to elongate. There is spring force. Understood? What I just want to convey here, even on a spring, even you are pulling with equal force, still extension is there. Understood? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now, same question like in our case, if you look at this spring balance, okay? It is the spring balance. Clear? In our case, this spring balance is being, who is going to apply on this spring balance? One force is 37.5 Newton and one force is 37.5 Newton like this. This is spring force. Clear? So if I ask what is the reading? Reading will be spring force by G. So what is the answer? 3.75 kg. Understood? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
This is really important thing I just want to explain here. Please check this question again.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, please ask.
Can you show that previous diagram? Now
This one?
recently. Yeah. Here, we found, not, yes, this one, sir. Here we found that the reading is 3.75 kg by directly doing that, sir. But since spring force is applied on both sides, would not that thing be cancelled out or something like that?
See what I have explained. That's why I have explained this concept. Now, where is your mind? That's why I have explained this concept. Now, this here also like the same thing is now. It is spring. It is not a rope. It is not a rope. It is a spring. In a spring case, you can't say elongation is there. You can check here also, na. Spring is massless, na here. Here spring is massless. Same force is there, na. 20 up, but still this block is going to elongate the spring. In this case also, what I'm going to say, if you attach, if there is no block, length of spring is this much. If you attach any block, here no force, 0 Newton here. At the top also, on the spring. Clear? Here also 0 Newton. Clear? If you attach any block, then there is elongation obviously. Clear? Elongation is there. You will say, sir, this is 2 kg. Kx down 20. So Kx is equal to 20 Newton. Spring balance, spring force is 20 Newton. You will say like that. Okay? Clear?
Yes,
If
sir,
you
clear.
take this as your system, spring is your system. Then draw, one is 20 down due to this block, okay? And due to this fixed support, it is also applying 20 Newton, na? Or you can check F dash. Let us suppose F dash. I don't know whether it is 20 or not. If you apply Newton's law, spring is massless. Massless means 0.0000. Still it is having acceleration. Or acceleration is not there. Whatever else, it always zero. Then F dash is 20. It means that spring is doing elongation. Spring is doing elongation. Still force is same. F dash is also 20. 20. So here what is the case? Both hands are going to applied with same force. If a spring is our system, same thing, na? Elongation is there, but you are not able to visualize because one end is going to fix. Same thing is there at the back. Same thing is here. But in the previous question, in this question, like fixed support, you are not able to visualize. Actually, it is there. That's why it is IIT question. Okay. Normal question they will give like this. Like this. They will hang one mass and one and they will fix. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Oh, great question. Like I really like. It's a great question. So I will give you some question. Okay. I will give some question to you. Just write. Clear? It is just homework question. Like please write. And you have to give me the reply. The next class.
Yes,
Write
sir.
down. A closed cage. A closed cage with a parrot. With a parrot inside is kept on a weighing machine. On a weighing machine. Inside the box. Inside the box. Will stop. If parrot starts flying, starts flying, then the reading of weighing machine will then the reading of weighing machine will be options I'm giving increase, option B decrease, option C remain same, option D None. Okay. Next question. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second question, write down. Write down. Repeat the same question. Repeat the above question. Repeat the above question. If closed cage, if closed cage is replaced by wire gauge. Replaced by wire gauge. Not gauge, cage. Okay. Options I am giving. Increase. I will share one more meeting link. Okay. This is about
Yes,
to
sir.
end. First option, write out increase. Option D, decrease. Option C, first increase and no, no. Option C, remain same.
So the question is not clear, sir.
Not visible.
No, it's visible, but I'm not clear with the question. Second one.
Second one means same question above question. In the here closed cage is given na. A closed cage. In place there wire gauge.
Oh, okay. Now I
Same
got it.
question there. D none. Okay. That's all. Clear? Question 2 is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question third. Write down. Write down
So
question
can you
number.
show
Please, please, please
previous
check.
question?
These questions like I am giving for homework and you have to try and I will discuss in the next class.
Yes,
You
sir.
have any
That's
doubt? Yeah. Okay. Write down next question. Question number third. A bottle of cold drink. A bottle of cold drink. Cold drink is capped on a weighing machine. On a weighing machine. Okay. Weighing machine. If if cap of bottle, if cap of bottle is opened, the reading then the reading will option 1 increase, option B decrease, option C first increase then decrease, first increase and then decrease. Okay. Option D remains same. Remains clear. Next question. Have you written this? Okay.
Yes, sir, completely.
Now write one more question. Write down. Question number 4. A man stand on weighing machine. A man stand on a weighing machine. Okay. Weighing machine is weighing machine capped inside a aeroplane. Okay. During takeoff, during takeoff, the reading of weighing machine reading of weighing machine will clear. First option increase, option B decrease, option C first increase and then decrease, first increase and then decrease. With its original value, with its original value. Okay. Option D first increase Less than the original value. Okay. You have to solve these four questions. Clear?
Yes, sir.
See, one thing like I just want to explain. If you are like, I will share one more meeting link. It's about to end. Okay. Next concept we will discuss in the next class, but I just want to discuss one small concept. In the next class, I will not next class, one more meeting link I will share you. Please join from there. Okay. See, see. Actually, I just want to discuss one concept, like a small concept. I just want to tell. If you have any like confusion, like how to show the direction of a spring force. Now look at this diagram. Clear? Okay. Understood?
Sir.
If I ask you like draw the free body diagram of this block only, then you are drawing like this. Is my voice audible to you? Now see,
Yes, sir, I was.
if I attach any block with a spring, how many systems in this? If I ask like what are the things you are looking? First, fixed support. Conceptual clarity is very important. Like
Spring does.
fixed support. Is my screen visible to you? Fixed support,
Yes, sir, it's visible.
spring, and this is a block. Okay. One by one, I will draw the free body diagram of all these three. Now, if I take this block is my system. Clear? If you draw the free body diagram of this block, mg down, and spring force is up. How much? Kx. The extension is x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear? This is for block. Now, if you take this block as not block, spring as a system. Clear? And draw the free body diagram. You tell me, for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
On two different bodies. If you look at the ends of this spring, on the end of this spring, mg is doing what? Mg is doing action like this. Okay? Mg is doing action. If I ask like this is the end of the spring. Spring. What is going on here? What is the action? In which direction the
MC pulling it down.
huh? If I ask you like if spring balance spring is my system, then on this spring, what are the force acting on that?
MC pulling it downwards.
No, 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 no. See, at the end of the spring here, if spring is applying kx force on this block to balance it, Then block is also
Then kx force will be
block is also applying kx
spring.
now. For every reaction there is equal and opposite reaction. Very good. Okay. Kx down on this spring. Now who is going to tightly held this spring? This spring is fixed here. This support is also applying some force. Support, force due to support. F dash. Okay. Then only it is
Yes,
hang
sir.
now. Now if I ask like draw the free body diagram of this support. This support. Then on the support, who is going to apply? F dash. F dash is here na F dash. F dash is happening here. Like this. F dash. Due to the support on this spring.
Yes.
Then spring also apply F dash. For every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Then on the support F dash is down. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Right.
This is what every time I'm doing. So whenever like you are going to like draw the free body diagram, always remember one concept: for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. That's why direction I just found. Okay, like in
Yes,
case
sir.
of block, on this block mg down, on this block, because of this mg it is going to extend spring force up. Okay, then only it is going to balance now.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Any doubt?
All right, sir.
Okay. So I will stop the lecture today here only. Concentrate more on your board studies. Clear? Means I don't want to say any take any pressure. No need to take any pressure. Clear? At the end you have to compete. Clear? That the things you have to keep in your mind. Okay? And slowly revise the lecture. Till now, whatever you have learned, give 1 hour or not 1 hour, only half an hour to revise the things till today what we have learned. Because slowly I'm going to move, and we are about to like around 50% mechanics we have covered. And you are very fortunate enough, like you have covered before class, before starting your class 11. You are very, you should be happy. Okay, otherwise peoples are starting after in class 11 these things. Okay, so no need to worry, like you are far ahead from in the like in terms of completion of syllabus, because 11th syllabus is very huge. Clear? So no need to worry. Clear? So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Work hard. Any help if you need, I'm always ready. Any numerical is still in class 10th board examination. If you need any help, any sort of help, please ask. In the group itself, I will discuss. Okay. So thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Please take care. Bye.
Thank you.